The objective of this lesson is to understand the now formula, the today formula, what's the difference between them, and where it could be useful to use them. So let's start. I'm going to write equal today, then you have to open parentheses, close parentheses, and press enter. And what you get is the date that is on your system. So the 6th of March, for example. If I want to try the now formula with the parentheses and I press enter, I'll get the same thing, but I'll get the time with it. So that's the difference between the two formulas. Now, how to use them effectively? Let's assume that I have to do a report where I'm going to calculate the time elapsed since a task should have been completed. So for example, this task should have been completed on the 1st of March at 2 p.m. And I want to know how many days it has been since this should have been completed. So I'm going to do equal now minus this date. And then you get a number 4.91. Again, if your cell was formatted like this, you would have gotten something that looks like a date with 1900. What you do, you click on it, you can click on this comma under home, and then you get 4.91. That means that 4.91 days passed since you should have completed this task. And if you want, for example, not to have the situation where every time you do something on the Excel like this date refresh, you can just do Control C and then you go here under home, paste special values, and then this date will not change anymore. So then your output will not change.